Hey everyone! About a month ago, we filmed a video with the guys about doors. Each of us had to go through 5 stages. In each stage, they had to choose one of 3 doors. Behind one of the doors, there was nothing. But behind the other 2, there was a prank involving an upside-down bucket with various liquids. Today, we've decided to film the second part, but we're gonna tweak the rules just a bit. This time, as you can see, there are no doors left. Only door frames. But don't be alarmed because that's the plan. We'll be covering each door frame with cardboard. Now, as you might imagine, I need to get through this door. Well, I say get through, but it might actually be more like breaking through. Heck, it might not even work at all, but we're about to find out. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna need to run and hit it a lot harder. There's some dents, but I haven't managed to break through the door yet. So, in order to break through this cardboard, I'm going to have to put in some serious effort. Attempt number 2. Okay, this cardboard. This is really tough. Attempt number 3. Well, at least I think you've got the idea that getting through this cardboard is quite challenging. But that's not all, because on the other side of the cardboard, in 2 out of 3 openings, there will be a fixed door. So when you're running through the cardboard, you have to understand that there's probably a wooden panel on the other side in about 70% of the cases. And that's still not all. When passing through these doors, we'll be accumulating mistakes. So if you crash into the wooden panel, you already have 1 mistake. If you crash into the cardboard and you can't get through, that's another mistake. In general, every time you can't make it through, you accumulate a mistake. And if you end up with the most mistakes, you lose. And so the loser among us will get pelted with cakes. And here we go. Rock and paper scissors, 1, 2, 3. Oh, all scissors. How is this even possible? Rock and paper scissors, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes! I'm second. Okay.
First.
Second.
Third.
Fourth. Fifth. Sixth. So now Max has to go somewhere far away into a closed room so that we can prepare his pranks for him. Well, we've finished everything now, and so we can go ahead and bring Max in.
Let's go. Any last words?
I hope not, but maybe yes.
Hello.
Hello.
How many doors do you think you'll choose? All of them.
Honestly, I think I'll guess the right one on my first exact try. At most 1 door. Well, given my luck, maybe not even 1 on the second try.
Now, on the count of 3, we start.
Always ready.
Huh.
I don't know. This is scary. This is for real.
Max, you have a second half ahead of you. Are you ready?
Totally ready, but nonetheless, I still haven't crushed into a wall, so I'm still scared that it might just happen yet. But,
How's it going?
it's not as bad as I expected, but it's still somewhat unpleasant.
Max has made his move and made a mistake. But that doesn't mean he advances to the next level. You can only move to the next level by going through a door. Unfortunately, there are no shortcuts, only through the door.
One, two, three, four. I'll go back to the middle. 1, 2, 3.
Woo! So far, Max has only made 2 mistakes, and now it's time for the third. Are you ready to make it?
Yes, because there hasn't been a middle door or a middle opening yet, so I'll go with the middle door again, probably, alright? Well, maybe. Middle door. Max, go! Come on!
Explain to me, how are you doing this? You've only made 2 mistakes so far.
I don't know. I thought for sure the previous door would be in the middle, as it hasn't appeared yet. I thought they were somehow arranged that exact
Well,
way.
I think there will definitely be a central one now. So let's go for the central one.
For some reason, I don't trust you.
Such silence.
What do you think? In what car did he hide it? In theory. Now, down.
From which door do you feel the warmth?
All right, let's go to the center again. 1. That hurt.
I was waiting for you there, Max. In total, you've made 4 mistakes.
I feel these mistakes like never before.
But you actually made it to the very end, right?
Go in the middle. That one's
2,
good.
3. Foot got caught on something, and something went wrong.
My laughter is now ending, and damn it, I'm taking a break. I see footprints. No!
1, 2, 3. The game has begun.
Everyone? Right, damn it! You know, when Max was going through, I thought, well, it's probably not that bad. But now I'm really starting to realize how challenging all of this is going to be. Whew! My heart is pounding. It's racing. The main problem is that you have to run so hard to break through the cardboard, and you might not even break through, and it will be counted as a mistake. Woohoo! Ah! All right, I need to run hard to break through. Break through to run. Boom. I think I've got it. That hurts. Give me knee pads. Oh, I mean elbow pads. My arm is seriously numb. Okay, what's going on? So I went into different doors 3 times and couldn't get through. Right? You know, when I was building this whole setup, I thought, well, there might be something convex somewhere, you know, like a bump. But no, it doesn't work that way. Right now, I see that they're all the same.
Choose.
No, I haven't chosen anything. I hope I won't make any more mistakes because I'm already in trouble. I'm just speechless.
That's probably the wrong one.
This is less funny than I thought. Well, at least when you watch the others, it's funny. But I think you guys will laugh, okay? You know,
Good luck, Max.
thank you.
Stop!
What a jerk! You're such a scoundrel. All right, all right, all right. Woo-hoo-hoo!
How good it feels. Oh, damn. Oh. Oh! A shield. Was that consecutive? Oh! Can you imagine?
3.
Wow. Yo. Yo. I thought I was going to fall in there again. Oh! I'm buying a lottery ticket right now after we finish shooting the video. Run. Damn. Darn.
Ouch! Oh, that hurt. Conclusion number 1. Don't do everything fast. Ooh.
You fall every single time.
Oh! Whoa, 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 whoa! The algorithm, right? Thank God the hell is over. It's just insane. Every time Mamix says, let's see the video, guys, I'm like, yeah. And then I regret it.
1, 2, 3. Oh!
Damn. What?
It's the wrong one. I think it's occupied. Oh! Oh yeah. Bam!
Anya! Like this.
There you go.
Whoa. Dennis made very few mistakes, unfortunately, so I can already picture where I'll have cake.
And I can picture a slightly smaller piece of myself. Whoa! Whoa! Another one! I was 100% sure! Well, at least I'm not getting the cake now. So,
And I'll have some cake.
Ow! Okay, I'm not getting the cake in my head.
Well, what can I say? I'm in a tough spot. Or rather, I'll be in a cake soon. I can only hope that they're not going to hit me. On the count of 3, we begin, okay? 3.
3. We got him.
You guys are something. And I look really weird. I'm really cold. I'm gonna go home now.